rise.
Jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki nyoromo gi jothum kod jomi ji mor maromo 2,000 e gweng' ma Irunduni mayudore e kaunti ma Tharaka Nithi kochiwo negi singo ni piny owacho biro chung' kodgi motegno kaka yo mar bero sekta mar thum kod mor. Jatelo no koni sirikal dhi nyime kod kedo gachudhe makedo gi jothum ka owacho ni sirikal oseketo kenge motegno mar bero sekta no mar bero tijegi e pacho ka kod pinje maoko. Jogo manoyuore romono noting'o jothum, jogo picha kaachiel gi jotugo e mbui mawuok e kauntis ma Meru, Tharaka Nithi kaachiel kod kauntis ma Libamba.
There are many people who earn a living because they are farmers. Others earn a living because they are business people, they are traders. Others earn a living because they are educated and therefore they are experts and professionals. And the way we are supporting every other person in every sector to actualize their full potential and get a fair reward for their talents, we must do the same for musicians, content creators, and people in the creative industry. Because your music, your creativity, your performance, the content you create, that is your coffee, your tea, that is your business, and that is your professional qualification. The same energy the government of Kenya under President Ruto is putting to fight cartels in tea and coffee and other places where the people of Kenya get their income from. We are also putting our effort to fight cartels, middlemen, brokers in the creative industry who are benefiting from the sweat of artists or musicians.